Hello everyone, welcome back. And in this session, we will learn how to launch an empty browser, maximize the browser, navigate to a website, and then close the browser. In our previous session, we have learned how to launch an empty browser in Chrome and Firefox. Today, we will move a little further and navigate to website and close before maximizing. So then let's get started. So now I'll create a class. Since we are maximizing and navigating and closing the browser, I'll set the name in the same sequence. Let me add public static void main for now. In the further scripts, we will be directly using testng, but for now, let me use main method. So since in the previous session you had seen that we had used system.setProperty and used the WebDriver statement to launch the empty browser, the similar two statements I'll be using in this script as well. If any one of you has not watched my previous video and if you're not able to understand, please go back and watch my previous video. I have added the link in the description. So now I'm going to write those two statements. System.setProperty. So since I'm launching the Chrome browser, so I'm going to use webdriver.chrome.driver, and I need to give the path of .exe file. So this is the path. I'm going to select Shift, right click, copy as path, and then I'll go back to my Eclipse and then paste it. I will add the extra missing slash and add the semicolon. Now after setting the property, now I am going to launch the empty Chrome browser. WebDriver driver equals to new Chrome driver. So we have now these two errors will go after importing the WebDriver and Chrome driver file. Now after that, let me run it and show you. Now it will launch an empty Chrome browser, but it will not maximize. See, it has launched an empty Chrome browser. Now we will try to maximize this browser. So I'm going to use driver.manage.window.maximize. So now I'm going to save this and show you the browser maximizing. So I'm just going to write it line by line and show you the execution line by line so that you have a better understanding. So since it has maximized the browser, now we will navigate to a particular website. So driver.navigate.to. So we'll navigate to a website and it takes in the form of string the website. So we will add the website here, http://www.facebook.com. I'll remove this extra closing double quotes. So now you can see I have added the URL as well. So let me save this, run it again for you guys for your better understanding. So it has launched the empty browser, the browser got maximized, and we are navigating to facebook.com. Now the only one last step is remaining, and that is closing the browser. So I'm going to add one more statement, that is driver.quit. Quit method will close the browser. So I'll save this. Now I'll run the entire script. So what it does is, first it will launch the empty browser, it will maximize, it will navigate to Facebook, and then it will close the browser. So let's see the complete execution now. So you can see here it has launched and it has maximized the browser and it has navigated. Once it loads the page, then it will close it. It will not load, it will not close until the entire page is loaded. So it has loaded the entire page now, and it will close the browser as well. Okay. It has closed the browser after loading the page. So this was a very simple step. So I would also want you to show you there are other ways of running this program. The one way, direct way, is from here. Another way is, what you can do is you can just right click. Okay, you can just right click your and there you have this option, run as. So run as one Java application, it will run. Same execution you can execute this way as well. So this was one alternative method for running your scripts. Yeah, same thing it will do. See, it has launched. Again, maximize, navigate to Facebook, and after loading the page it will close the browser as well. So the second alternative method was this one. So these are the simple script for writing the navigation for a website. So if you guys are facing any difficulty while executing this program, please let me know in the comment section. And if you have any doubts, also please let me know in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and all my videos. Thank you for watching.